In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a OneDrive shared folder locally. Whether you're a student collaborating on a group project or a professional working in a team, having access to your shared documents right from your desktop is incredibly convenient. So, let's dive right in and make this task a breeze. First things first, let's start by logging into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft account website and enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game. This step is essential because your OneDrive and all shared folders are linked to your Microsoft account. So make sure that your details are entered accurately to avoid any hiccups later. Once you've logged in, look for the App Launcher, also known as the waffle menu. It's that grid icon in the upper left corner of your Microsoft dashboard. Click it. This is where you'll find a suite of Microsoft apps at your disposal. Your focus should be on OneDrive, so go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon in the menu. Now that you're in OneDrive, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Click on Shared. This is where all the folders that others have shared with you are listed. It might take a moment to load if you have a lot of shared content, so be patient. You'll want to look for the specific folder you'd like to sync. When you've identified the folder, click on it to open it up. This step might seem straightforward, but it's important to make sure it's the correct folder, since this folder is what you will be syncing with your local files. If you indeed have found the right folder, select it. You'll notice an option at the top that says, Add Shortcut to My Files. Click this, and you'll create a dedicated shortcut to this shared folder in your OneDrive account. You should now see the shared folder appear under My Files in your OneDrive. Isn't that neat? This essentially means that you've successfully linked this shared folder to your personal OneDrive, enabling you to access it just like you would with any of your personal files. As a final step, to confirm everything is in order, open your File Explorer on your computer. You should see your OneDrive folder there as well. Look inside, and you'll find that the shared folder is indeed synced and ready to be accessed locally. This way, you can work on the files even when offline, and they will sync automatically once you're connected to the internet again. And there you have it. You've just synced a OneDrive shared folder locally, ensuring seamless collaboration and easy file access. Feel free to repeat this process for any other shared folders you might need, and enjoy the efficient way this setup supports your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.